Hi, Simon from Flint and Flame here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Mongolian beef using the amazing Flint and Flame cookware. We're going to be using the 16cm saucepan, we're going to be using my favourite, the 24cm chef pan, and the 20cm casserole pan. First thing we need to do is get the rice on, because that takes the longest. The best rule to work with is if you do a cup of rice, you do 2 cups of water. Make sure you rinse your rice properly first. Slice your steak into 1/4 thick pieces, slice against the grain and season with salt and pepper. Now toss your steak pieces in corn flour until fully and evenly coated and set aside. Heat the saucepan over a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Saute the ginger and garlic until fragrant. Then add the soy sauce, water and sugar and bring to the boil until the sugar dissolves. Then set aside. So now we're going to add the beef to the pan, and with that amazing heat distribution, it's going to do the job perfectly. Pour the sauce mixture into the chef pan and stir together with the meat. Allow the sauce to thicken and add spring onions and continue to simmer until the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a wooden spoon. Serve the Mongolian beef over sticky rice and garnish with chopped red chilies and some sesame seeds. So there you have it, simple ingredients and great pans, you've got a delicious midweek meal.